how is it going? I am Jimena and today I will be your touristic guide. The beautiful place for today is Wells El Clavel. It is located in the Wells of Acacia department of Meta. It is a place where the water is crystal clear and where you can share with family. So in these wells the idea is to bathe and for people who like the adrenaline. They can jump from some stones where you can spend a pleasant time in the company of your family or friends. Travel tips. I have some travel tips for you if you like the adrenaline. You are in the right place. I hear you can feel the weight of jumping from the highest stones. The most delicious thing is having a lunch in the river, nothing better than a sancocho for the cold. Superstitions. And now those are some superstitions. The first is about going to the river and preparing a delicious sancocho every Sunday. And the other is about not going to the river during Easter week or during the winter month. When to go? I suppose that yours asking when you can go there. The answer is on sunny days and summer. It is the best time to go since you can enjoy a sunny pleasant afternoon and beautiful sunset. Where to stay? You also need a place to stay here, so the best places are the glamping sites at the viewpoints of mountains where you will have a spectacular view of the Janeiro sunset on sunrise. Don't forget to try delicious dishes we have for you like the llanera, meat and sancocho de gallina with a refreshing guarapo or coffee. In the region, the most used transportation in the motorcycle and cars. In the language in Spanish like in all the country. The last data is that in Acacia, central the country, the Colombia peso is handled. Thanks.